Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. So today we have something we bought. It is Bidet Fresh, and what I just removed is my address and my name, just because it's a video. So it was actually put in here. We just took it and removed that, but I see the box is not open. So I bought it. So that's why how to see the box is. It's not like it's not closed, so we don't know if there's any missing items in it, but let's see what we have. So this is it. This is how it looks, and so these are the parts only. Simple and small. So this is the hose. So basically I have to install it. So, and this is the instruction. We will install it and follow the instructions in the next step. Okay. So as you can see here, we follow the instructions we get. So basically, I think we are only changing this piece here from the whole thing here. So we're changing the topper part. So as you can see, this one here. So it'll be there on the top. And then we connect the extra wire that we got here. This one here. We connect it on the side, which will go directly to here. So this is the part we're adding. So this will be as it is there on the sink. We're just adding this small pot and we're adding this one here. And then we're putting this here and then this. I'll just show you right now where it is. And then we have this extra pots here. And this one here, that's it. Basically this is the tape, I guess. And then here we got these two things. As you can see. Two of them. This one, and okay, let's try it. As you can see in the manual, you don't put it this way. I mean, you don't put it this way, but you have to put it this way here on the top. That's what it shows there. Frankly, this is the first time I'm doing it, so let's see what happens. So I already got this wet actually, so but here what it says: remove the existing toilet seat, turn off the water valve, flush toilet to drain the tank completely, take out the existing water pipe. Okay, so basically what I did is I took the cover, just make sure this should be empty. So basically what we're gonna open is that something there down below, that is what is gonna be open from here. So guys, this is the first time I do it. I don't know how things will be, but I know things might be messy around here. So you know the water, the little bit of water there will fall down. So maybe what I'll do is I'll bring something and try to bring this one here so that the water will not fall. Let me see. See, I added the black rubber here at the top, and now I'm attaching this too. Okay, so that is attached. So the next step will be attaching it to here at the top. So see this piece here, so I'll attach it here, top, same spot. I hope I'm doing it right, but guys, you know, there might be some experts from you guys who did before I did this first time. So if there's something that I'm doing wrong, you know, just comment below and let me know. And also so that other people would know, so that Yeah, I think I'll use my 2 hands. So using both hands, I did attach it properly. Good. I hope it does good. Perfect. So now this one here, the previous one, I'll just attach it from below. We'll do it from here and attach it. Basically, I couldn't attach it from down here, so maybe I did this wrong. So what I'll do is I'll just remove this first and attach these two parts first. That's the first step I'll take. This way worked. So that's the first step. I'll go back again now and attach this. What we did previously, I think it'll be much easier. I'm just trying to do it with one hand. See if it works. I wasn't using my 2 hands, but I think it works. So just make sure it's tightened. Now the other thing, I don't know why the one here in the down moved. So just make sure it's put properly. Yeah. Good. So that we finish with this part, attaching all these 3 pieces together. Not 3 pieces, only 1 piece actually. Let's make this sure. Good. Let's go for the next step. I'll just put the cover back so it doesn't need to be open now. So now to attach this, so we need to put these 2 things here on the seat. So basically here and here. So we need to remove these. So there is something here below that I just saw that we need to remove. It's this one here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Where's my hand? That's my hand, yeah. So this is the one we need to remove. On the both sides. So great, I removed both. So I think this will be removed easily. Now, see, you can remove easily. I just removed right now. So I removed it. So this is the 2 holes for the seat. So frankly, I don't know how to set it up, but I think it shows here like 2 arrows. So I think it should be between the 2 arrows. Basically, I think maybe. And is it? So okay. So yeah. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not the arrows, I guess. But just, you know. From here, so let's go for the important part, which is, you know, attaching this. Here's what we got here. We need to attach it to this one here. So I need to attach it to here, so it's to the back. I don't know, I don't think we would need the rubber here because the rubber would be bigger. So I'll just attach it there. So it is done. So right now I just need to attach the seat of that set. I would prefer that you guys, you know, try it before you attach the seat, but for me, because I'm only using one hand to take this video, the other hand holding, it would be hard for me. So I'll just attach the seat right away. So it's successfully attached here, so I'll just put this back, see how it works. So I'm done with that. So what I'll do, I'll start this one, let's see what happens here. So I'll start it a little bit. I'm not open it to the end. Just want to see how it looks. See how it works. So it's filling up. But let's see. Let's start and see how the water will go. Hope it doesn't go to my face. Ooh. It is working now. This is, ooh, it came down. I was thinking, where's it gonna come from? So, get down. So that's how it goes, and then it surprises you, and it goes up. Yeah, that works. You see it? Yeah, now I went the house. So good, finally it's working. By commenting below this video. And as I told you, any mistake, anything I did wrong, just comment below, so you know the people watching this video wouldn't make the mistake that I made. But great, thank you very much, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and every time we get something new, we'll unbox it with you guys and show you how to assemble it. Thank you very much and have a good day. Don't forget again to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. Bye.